यार प्लीज बस इस इमेज को गिबली स्टाइल में चेंज कर दे।
आई नो आपने भी ऐसे अपने दोस्तों से कई इमेजेस को घिबली स्टाइल में ट्रांसफॉर्म कराया होगा।
I just fed all my personal photos into ChatGPT and now I have an entire Studio Ghibli album of my memories.
ChatGPT, DeepSeek और Claude जैसे AI टूल्स हमारी डेली लाइफ का एक पार्ट बन चुके हैं, पर एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री भी है जिसके बिना ये सभी AI टूल्स फंक्शन नहीं कर सकते। We are talking about the data center industry. But what is a data center? Look, any physical facility with computing infrastructure to store, process, and distribute data is called the data center. And the companies that design and operate these centers build the data center industry. Some of these companies are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure,
And Google Cloud.
As of March 2025, there are 5,426 data centers in the US, the most of any country. The revenue of the data center industry in the US is expected to reach a staggering $137.46 billion in 2025. But now the question is, why is this market even growing? Well, there are two growth drivers behind it.
Let's unravel them.
First is the demand for digital infrastructure. Now, the demand for digital infrastructure of data centers comes from artificial intelligence companies, cloud computing workload, and typical business functions such as email or storage. When we use generative AI tools like ChatGPT, it requires high-density data centers to operate and resolve our queries. That's why there is a growth in hyperscale data centers, which are more efficient and bigger than traditional data centers. Even today, 90% capacity of data centers is provided by hyperscale data centers. There is also an emerging class of data centers that will be fully dedicated to managing the AI workload, and these are usually owned by hyperscale data centers. And as the adoption of technology like AI will increase, the demand for efficient data centers will also increase. Second is technological advancements. Now, another reason behind the rapid growth in the data center industry is technological advancements.
You must have noticed how people created Ghibli-style images using AI to the extent that Sam Altman had to share a post on X.
Not just ChatGPT, but in recent times, we have seen how different AI assistants like Perplexity, Claude, and not to mention DeepSeek have gained mass attention. Apart from this, the AI robot market is also growing at the rapid pace. According to a report by Markets and Markets in January 2025, the global humanoid robot market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 45.5% from $2.03 billion in 2024 to $13.25 billion in 2029. Therefore, data center industry is in line to greatly benefit from the rise of technologies such as AI, machine learning, robotics, and cloud computing. Future outlook. Now that we have discussed the growth drivers, let's see what the future holds for the data center industry.
The industry is expected to reach $613 billion in 2033 with a CAGR of 11.4%, which is quite tempting for any investor out there.
Now, here's a visual representation for you to understand the present and future growth of the data center industry. The future looks promising. But is the data center industry getting enough recognition and support? Well, yes. AWS and Google are already working to build their power supply system to support high-end data centers. In October 2024, AWS signed multiple contracts with Energy Northwest, X-Energy, and Dominion, Virginia in order to receive and supply 600 megawatt of power. Similarly, Google also signed a contract with Kairos Power to purchase nuclear energy, which is expected to be deployed in 2030. Now, let's move on to the ways of investing in the US data center industry. First is to invest directly in companies like IBM, HP, and Dell that are quite active in the data center space. As of 11th April 2025, the share prices of IBM, HP, and Dell have grown by 102%, 46%, and 289% respectively in the past 5 years. So you must definitely check out these companies. The second way is to invest in the ETFs with the data center exposure. So let's look at some of the best ETFs in the data center category. Number 1. Defiance Connective Technologies ETF. This ETF tracks the performance of the Blue Star Connective Technologies Index, which tracks the performance of companies involved in hardware, software, and services related to 5G and 6G networks. The ETF has generated lifetime returns of 62%, that is from 2019 to 2025. Number 2. Pacer Data and Infrastructure RE ETF. This ETF tracks the Solactive GPR Data and Infrastructure Real Estate Index, which measures the total return of companies involved in the data and infrastructure real estate sectors. This ETF has generated lifetime returns of 12%, that is from 2018 to 2025. These returns are as of 10th April 2025. Now, before you take any step, you must know that these investments are for risk-tolerant investors with a long-term view.
Starting fresh positions in these ETFs,
Hoping to gain in the short term might not be beneficial, as these ETFs and companies are engaged in industries that are expected to grow rapidly in the future. In fact, the same happened with Nvidia's stock. You won't believe, but until 2016, Nvidia's stock was trading at $1 per share. This means the share price could only reach $1 in 17 years since 1999. But once the semiconductor wave began after 2016, the stock skyrocketed, and as of 11th April 2025, the stock is trading at $110 per share with a lifetime return of 2,77,225%. Now, with this, what I intend to say is, some industries are quite early and data center is one of them. It is expected to accelerate in the future, but the right time to invest in order to get maximum returns from an investment is when it's new in the market. Also, we recommend investing as per your risk appetite and always doing the due diligence before investing your money in any asset. So, that's all from this video. We'll discuss the current scenario of an emerging industry and how it's going to shape different technologies across the globe. Now, if you found this video interesting, click on the like button.
and don't forget to subscribe to appreciate.
Also, let us know in the comments which US industry would you want us to decode next.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.